Part 2. Here's the stew. Part 2 of chit chat and cooking. Here is the stew. So far so good. The chicken is all well cooked. I'm going to remove it before I add my rice to make it a jollof rice. It's cooking some stew in case the rice is too dry. You can add some stew to your rice. So the plan is to cook jollof rice. There we go, there we go. I said stew is ready. See, that is the chicken oil. There wasn't any need adding extra oil. So this is the non-frying method of cooking stew. Try yours. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for more.